Usually, your hard drive or the flash drive will carry maybe H, F, or maybe S, as the case may be. So for this, I'm going to do a test run with my system hard drive, just for you. Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is CMD Hub, and I'm here to give you a very simple trick. Sometimes you put in your flash drive, you put in your hard drive, and then you find out that your system is unable to view them. It says file is hidden, or you can't even find them, or you are not sure if you deleted the files on your hard drive or your flash drive. So all you have to do is to just open the command prompt using CMD, and then you usually have to run it as an administrator to have access to the system admin privilege. Running the administrator, and then yes. So here we are. So the first step in this command prompt is for you to go back to your computer, my computer, then check the name of your flash drive. If you look at this, is my system hard drive, and the name is C. This is the C drive. Usually, your hard drive or the flash drive will carry maybe H, F, or maybe S, as the case may be. So for this, I'm going to do a test run with my system hard drive, just for you to know how the command prompt works. So you go back to your command prompt and use the attribute command, which is attrib space -s space -h space -r space /s space /d, and then you press enter. Can you see how it's denying my access? This is because my system hard drive is locked against this kind of attribute. But if it's going to be a flash drive, it will hide every hidden files on that hard drive or flash drive. And then if you want to reverse the same thing, maybe you have sensitive files on your hard drive that you don't want other people to view when you share them, you can simply hide your files. So the same thing you do is to rename this command to the name of the drive on your computer, which is C, as the case may be, colon, and then you press colon and then enter. So C, colon, and then enter. And then you put in the same attribute command, attrib space. But in this case, you are not using the minus, you are using the plus to show that you want to add the attribute, which is +s space +h +r /s space /d, and then enter. Same access denied. If it was in an external hard drive or a flash drive, it will hide all your files, and then you can easily share your drive with people, and they will be able to access all your files, except the person uses the same command and then unhides your files. But not everybody knows this, right? Yeah. So for more of these updates, keep subscribing, turn on the notification bell, like my videos, share them to as many people as possible. I have a lot of updates for you this season. Let's keep it rolling. Bye.